हेलो एवरीवन, यह वीडियो इंग्लिश में होने वाला है। अगर आप हिंदी में ये वीडियो चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए लिंक पे क्लिक करें। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन आर बीइंग डिस्पेंस्ड। सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव अ डाउट दैट what this medicine is all about. So this is globules. So it is basically a vehicle of giving homeopathic medicines. So this medicine is now inert. It has no composition right now. It is simply a globule, a vehicle. These are only sugar globules. But when we give a homeopathic medicine, for example, this is Agaricus muscarius. Now I have to give you this medicine in this medicine format, because this medicine when you take in tongue it sounds so bad, and most of the times it is overdose of this medicine, which is not at all required, because in homeopathy the repetition of dose is matters, not the quantity of dose. So what we do, we take this homeopathic globules, we open it. This is an inert homeopathic medicine right now, okay? So it has no property, it is just sugar globules right now. But when I use this medicine Agaricus muscarius like this, so when I put the drops of this in this medicine, then it becomes Agaricus 30. So this is how medicine is being dispensed in homeopathy. So most of you have a doubt like how this sugar pills work. So it is basically sugar pills, but when we put this medicine in this, then it becomes a medicated sugar pill. Similarly, there are many medicines like Agaricus muscarius, Illumina, and there are over 500 medicines of dilutions that I have in my pharmacy right now. So all those 500 medicines will look similar because it is being dispensed in this form only, in globules form only. But when I give this medicine, then it becomes the actual medicine which this possesses. So this is Agaricus muscarius. It's mostly given in cases of pain in heel. So I'll just use this 30 number globules to dispense this Agaricus muscarius to my patient, and he will get relief. So this is how homeopathic medicines are being dispensed, and this sugar globules medicines is actually the medicine that we dispense you in this form. So that was all about it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel, and do watch all the other videos in this channel as well. Thank you so much.